So in Photoshop I just go with reduce noise actually, and yeah, you'll have to choose whatever setting you want to use. But in a video editor you would be using a temporal denoiser, I guess. So just remember that you have to do that. If you don't do it, then the render is going to look horrible on a television screen. I mean, I bet you can see this on YouTube, the huge difference. So it's just a reminder, really, that if you do this for animation, then you have to run some kind of denoiser filter, or it will look really bad on a television. A lot of televisions also, what they do is they run this sharpen filter on it. So, or sharpen effect. So for example, if you have the original and run the sharpen effect, it's going to look like this. It's going to look absolutely horrible. So try to get rid of as much noise as possible. So just showing you here how you can do it in Photoshop. In a video editor you should use a temporal denoiser. What you also should do is to add motion blur to it, and you should use a filter like Real Smart Motion Blur or similar, and that will take care of a lot of the motion blur noise as well. But yeah, just remember that if you're rendering FiberFX for television or really sharp lines for television, then you have to absolutely use some kind of denoiser. Yeah, I think that's about it. Yeah, there are also, of course, other tricks in LightWave to cut render times, but that's another subject, another video. So I actually got some videos on that. Anyway, this is how you do it if you're gonna use FiberFX for animation and send it to Netflix or whatever.